Hey, what is up? Today we are doing another Roblox video. Wait, what? Why am I holding my gauntlet instead of putting it on? Today I'm playing with my friend. Say hello.
Hi.
I'm gonna blindfold myself after these messages. And she has to instruct me through the game. So, ready, set, now go.
Okay, so go forward. Now, go left. No, right. Now, run around in a circle. And now run forward. Forward. Left. Forward again. Forward. Left.
Quick question, are you doing this properly?
I don't know.
You're not. Okay. Let's just go into the actual obby. You have to go through here. Now instruct me.
Okay, so go forward and left. Forward. No, right. Okay, now, Okay, now go forward. Oh, you died.
Every level I'm gonna look at so I can get a grip of what I'm doing. Okay.
Okay, now go turn, do, jump, now, jump, now, right, and jump, and run a tiny bit forward.
So, quick disclaimer for my friend here. I only have 15 minutes to record. Let's go.
Okay, forward, jump, now, jump. No, not like.
Oh, I died. That's what I want for free.
Okay, now jump. Turn a bit right.
Which way's right?
Left, I mean, sorry. Jump.
Okay, let's not do this because this will take way too long. Let's just see how long I can actually do the obby in. I died. I want to see if I can do it with my... Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, that didn't... I tried closing my eyes and doing it. If you hear a bit of a ruffling sound in the background,
It's her clicking.
no, I mean, I got super glue all over my fingers, and then I accidentally stuck the packet of super glue on my fingers.
And she got her fingers stuck together.
Yeah, it wasn't
The best.
It wasn't my proudest moment. Yeah, this isn't gonna take too long. Ah! Sorry. Solve my bruvs. If I do not finish this in time, I promise I shall make a part 2. I'm still holding my infinity gauntlet. By the way, guess what? I got all of the eggs in the egg hunt. Just kidding! But I got all the Marvel eggs.
I have no idea what you said.
It's Roblox talk. There was an egg hunt. And I got like 12 eggs.
Okay, I don't play Roblox.
I know exactly. And that's what I'm saying. Sorry, that's a bit of a... Okay, I'm not playing. Bye-bye, rage quit.